Welcome to the Student Planning video tutorial series. These tutorials will introduce you to the online self-service student planning system that will help you create your roadmap to completing your degree. This initial tutorial is an introduction to the student planning features. Continue through these short videos for a better understanding of how this course planning, advising, and registration system will work for you. You'll be able to track your progress towards fulfilling your degree requirements, plan courses, and build a schedule for a particular term, communicate and work with your advisor, and finally, register for classes. To get started, use the link for self-service student planning. The two main functions are listed in Box 1 and Box 2. Links to view your progress and to plan your degree and register for classes. Your academic program or major will also be displayed on this page. In order to use student planning effectively, you will need to verify that your specialization, major, minor, or concentration are displayed correctly. Scrolling down the My Progress page, you will see an overview of your requirements. Every program has a different set of outcomes. This includes a list of required program courses and required electives. Use the menu to navigate to other areas within self-service, or use the drop-down arrows to access the other tools found in student planning. My Progress is where you can view the summary of your progress towards your degree requirements, commonly referred to as your degree audit or program evaluation. Color-coded progress bars display overall progress. Click on the View a New Program icon to view the requirements for other programs. In My Progress, you can view the status of each degree requirement based on any new program you'd like to check. Courses that are completed are in green, courses that are fully planned are in yellow, and courses not started are in red. Click on a course that has a status of not started, or use the search box to add it to your plan. This will launch the course catalog and class schedule. Use the filters on the left to further define your selections. View the course descriptions and any available sections to add courses to your plan. Details on how to plan a course and how to register to a section are highlighted in another video. Please be mindful that you need to plan a course before you could register to it. The Plan and Schedule section is where you could view your planned and registered courses in either a schedule grid or a timeline view. This is where you will register for your classes, adjust your plan, and prepare for registration. Pay special attention to any notifications in the upper right-hand corner, which will highlight messages, confirmation of registration, and indication of any account holds. You can also access the Help button from anywhere within the student planning system for additional assistance. Click on the Advising tab to communicate with an advisor if you need guidance on how to select a program, the courses that will count in another program, and how to register to courses. You can add notes for future advising sessions and request a review of your plan by an advisor. Please be aware that notes cannot be edited or deleted once saved. Another option to search for courses you want to plan and register is to access the course catalog directly from the toolbar. Select the subject and use the filters on the left to further define your selections. You may also use the Search for Courses box to do a quick course search and add it to your plan. Remember that planned courses are not yet registered courses. Planned courses are in yellow and registered courses are in green. Please watch the following videos: how to plan a course and how to register for a course section. If you have any questions, please contact the appropriate office listed on the screen.